Hello everyone, welcome to Ask Me classes. So today we'll be discussing how to make an overall shapefile. Like there will be a polygon shapefile, there will be some polylines, and there will be some point shapefiles. So we are going to make all these shapefiles in this Google Earth Pro. Then we are going to export it as a KML layer. So when we import it in ArcGIS, then all the shapefiles will come in the proper coordinates. Means the polygon will come, the polyline will come, and poly the place marks or the point shapefiles will also come. Previously, we have discussed how to point out how to select point shapefiles, but today we'll be discussing how to export all these three shapefiles: point, polygon, and polyline at a time from Google Earth Pro to ArcGIS. So let's begin with a place. We can select some area, like we can go to Mumbai, Maharashtra. So first of all, we will mark our boundary, means our polygon. We have to make, first of all, we have to make our polygon, then we can mark our shape polylines. And so this is our boundary. We can change the style or color. Means the color we have want, the area will be outlined. If you make it fill, then it will look like this. So you have to make it outlined. You have to make it outlined. Then only your other features are visible. So we have changed the color. We can change the color to red color. No problem. It is in red color, and we can increase the width. Then okay. The next thing what we will be going to add, we will be adding some place mark. So place mark we will be adding, this is the National Sports Club of India. So we can write here, National Sports Club. We can add, this is the race course. This is the race course. This is the Nehru Planetarium. Nehru. So we have added some points FL. Now we will be adding some poly path, means some polylines. So we'll be, like we can see, if you start from here, there is a road connecting. Then again, you can end it here. Okay. So this is, we can write here. This is R1. Okay. This is R1. So the best thing about Google Earth is, if you want to edit any of the shape files, either it is a point, polygon, or polyline, just double click on that. Just double click on that, or you go to properties. Go to properties. Now you can see that our road one has been selected. So I want, like, the point ended here, or point ended here. So if I want to extend it, I can just click one. It will be extended. If I want, if you want to delete any point, just select that point and click then right click, then it will be deleted. Right click, it will be deleted. Right click, it will be deleted. And if you want to add any point, just go to the end point, then you can add the point. And here you can move your Google Earth platform. So we are demarcating a road. So now we have prepared our all the shape files. We have a polygon, we have a polygon, we have a polyline, and we have some place marks. Now we want to export the entire thing into our ArcGIS platform. So what you have to do, you have to go right click, save places as, we can write save files. No, there you go to from KML to layer. So here you select Shapefiles open. You can change the location. No problem. Later on, the location can be changed. So now you see your coordinate system is in unknown units. So once the shapefile is overlapped in this ArcGIS platform over the layers, you will see the coordinate system will change. So now you see the all these things have been imported here, and the coordinate system has been changed to decimal degree. So you can change the coordinate system from decimal degree to projected coordinate system. You can see the previous videos. So now you can do one thing. You can export all these things. You can export all these things to shape files. You can single you can export them, and you can import it again. You can import it even like this. You can export the data. This is our polygon. Okay. Okay. Then again, these are the polylines. Then these are our point shape files. And we can refresh our detail, and we can add one by one. We can add a polygon. So we have got the polygon now. Then we'll be adding our polylines. They have been added. Now the points. Okay. So this is how the transformation is done. Like if you don't want the already defined shapefile, you want to work on a specific area of a city. So this is how you can mark the digitize, how you can digitize the Google Earth platform to make your polygonal shapefile, point shapefile, and your polyline shapefile, and you can import it in ArcGIS. Then you can do your further research work. Okay. Thank you everyone. And please write your queries in the comment box, and also please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you.